Hi, this is Wayne from Bright Wolf Detailing. This is about CeraTrim. This is my truck, my 2019 GMC Sierra. This is before I did a good wash on it. Looks dirty, but it's actually clean. So you'll see quite the difference. There's CeraTrim on half of it. And there it is a little close up. And there's the whole panel done. It makes an incredible difference. It looks better than new. These trim pieces never looked like this when I first got the truck. There's the front piece. I also did the backs of the mirrors and also my bug deflector. I also did the topper for my tailgate, which will be coming up here shortly. There it is there. And there's half again. So this is what it looks like after it's been cured for about 24 hours, actually 48, and then I washed it. So nice and beads up. Looks great. There it is on the mirror. And on my step side. Beads up really nice. Stuff actually gets better as the time goes on. So far, very happy with it. So this is my next project. Sorry about the guy mowing in the background. I know it's annoying, but see, this is really faded, especially the top piece. And I've tried putting other products on here and it didn't hardly touch it at all. So I'm going to take this inside because it's about to storm here, and we're going to coat it. See what the CeraTrim can do about that. There's a better look at it now that I have it off the trailer. So this is before, obviously. Okay, let's break out the CeraTrim. Okay, I'm back. You might be able to hear, I got in just in time, it's storming outside. So I've done the half, so let's take off the, hopefully we can see how this works here. Wow, look at that. Wait till we get to the top here. It's amazing. It wasn't that bad down here as you can see, but there's still a big difference. I mean, even down here where it actually looked good before, it looks so much better after. Let's just back up so you can really see it. That's just amazing. Simply amazing. Okay, I'm going to finish it off, show you what it looks like when I'm done, and give you my final thoughts. Okay, I'm actually just going to show you how it goes on. So I've hardly used any of this. Just put one little bead all the way across. I'm not left-handed, so sorry, it's hard to do this and film at the same time. But that's all you have to do. Just crisscross, level it out. It's instant, just like that. Okay, the torrential downpour is over, but the guys are still mowing the lawn anyway. I just wanted to bring this out into the more of the light to let you have a look at it now that it's all done. It's unbelievable. And like I said, the longer it sits, the better it gets. I did the back too, but I didn't spend a lot of time on it because you don't see it that much, but I'll just go around. Let's see. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. I will give you an update on it in a month or so just to make sure that it's still performing properly. But from what I've seen and what I've read, this stuff is going to last a long time. Again, CeraTrim by the last coat, and I used not even 1/62 of that bottle. I mean, there's hardly anything left, and I've done my truck, all the trim on my truck, and this. Wayne, Bright Wolf Detailing. So just to sum up, CeraTrim, the last coat, it's wonderful stuff. As you've seen in my pictures and in the video that I did, it works tremendously well. You use hardly anything, so value for the dollar is big with this, and it goes a long ways. And if you are a professional detailer, you can actually make good money with this stuff. It seems to last a long time. It beads up well. The longer it sits, the better it gets. Anyway, this is a must buy as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to be using it all the time now. Anyway, thanks, Wayne, Bright Wolf Detailing. Have a great day.